Alright guys, let's say we have the following vectors. We have a vector here, which we can call A, another vector here, which we can call B. We want to add them. So how can we do that? So one thing you can do is to use the so-called head-to-tail method. As you either know or remember from previous lessons, if you can move vectors around in space as long as you don't change their magnitude or orientation. So that means we can take B right here and draw it right from the tip of vector A. We can draw B. Then we can simply draw another vector here which connects the tail of A with the tip or head of B. This vector is called, we can call it C. And C is equal to A plus B. So this is one method you can use to add two, or you can extend it also to more vectors. Another method you can use is a so-called parallelogram method. So what you do, again, we have A here. A and B are the same. So now I want to build a parallelogram. So I take B here and B also here. So I'm drawing B two times. Once I draw it from the tail of vector A, and once I draw it from the head of vector A. And then we can close this parallelogram. So here again, here you would have vector A again, is the same. And what we can do, we can take this long diagonal. This will be C. Again, C is A plus B. So you can do it either way if you want to add the two vectors. But this method, parallelogram method, is more useful if you want to subtract vectors. Let's say that now, instead of doing A plus B, now you want to find, let's say, a vector D, which is equal to A minus B. So, if you remember, minus B is the same as saying A plus, say, minus B. So first, you multiply B by minus 1, which means, let's draw them here again. This is A, B is this vector, A, B. So first thing, you flip B. So this becomes minus B. It keeps the same magnitude, the size of the vector is the same, but it will be flipped. So you change the direction, this will be minus B. And now you can treat it simply as an addition, as we did here or here. Yeah? So it's the same. So what can we do?